Welcome to English Through Stories. Today we'll explore the fun story of the surprise party. You'll learn new vocabulary and phrases while enjoying the adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let's get started.
One day, Sarah, Mark, and Emily decided to organize a surprise party for their friend John. It was his birthday, and they wanted to make it special. Sarah, ever the planner, insisted on meticulous preparation. "Let's plan everything carefully," she declared, her brow furrowed in concentration. Mark, always the cautious one, added, "Okay, but we need to keep it a secret." Emily, the most enthusiastic of the three, chimed in, "Yes, and we should buy a cake, balloons, and some snacks." Their mission was set. The trio ventured to the local supermarket, a cheerful cacophony of excited whispers and collaborative decision-making. Sarah, with an air of determination, selected a magnificent chocolate cake, its rich frosting gleaming under the store lights. Mark, drawn to vibrant colors, chose a dazzling array of balloons in every shade imaginable. Emily, practical as ever, stocked up on an assortment of chips and refreshing juices. Back at Sarah's house, the transformation began. Balloons, like colorful confetti, adorned the walls, transforming the ordinary living room into a festive haven. Candles, meticulously placed atop the cake, promised a magical glow. Amidst the flurry of activity, disaster struck. Mark, in his haste to hang a particularly stubborn balloon, tripped over a chair, sending a shower of colorful spheres tumbling to the floor. Laughter erupted, a joyous sound that filled the room, dispelling any trace of frustration. The air crackled with anticipation as the time for John's arrival drew near. Finally, a knock echoed through the house. Sarah opened the door, revealing John, completely unsuspecting. A collective yell of "Surprise!" filled the room, a chorus of happy voices that startled, then delighted, the birthday boy. John's eyes widened, a mixture of astonishment and pure joy spreading across his face. "Thank you so much. This is the best birthday ever," he exclaimed, his voice brimming with gratitude. The friends sang, "Happy Birthday," a heartfelt melody that resonated with genuine affection. The cake was devoured, its sweetness a delightful symbol of their friendship. Games were played, laughter echoing through the house, creating memories that would last a lifetime. It was a day filled with laughter, joy, and the sweet taste of friendship, a perfect celebration of John's birthday, orchestrated by the thoughtful efforts of his three dearest friends.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned something new. Practice what you've learned and share your thoughts in the comments. Give us a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe for more. See you soon.